Are you tired of spending a fortune on expensive hair treatments that promise miracles but leave your hair dull and lifeless? What if I told you that the secret to luscious, healthy hair is hiding right in your kitchen? Yes, you heard it right. DIY hair masks made from natural ingredients can work wonders for every hair type, whether it's dry, oily, or somewhere in between. Ready to dive in and give your hair the love it deserves? Why homemade hair masks? Imagine this: your hair is dull, frizzy, and lifeless. You've tried countless products, but nothing seems to work. One day, you stumble upon a simple avocado and honey mask recipe and decide to give it a shot. To your surprise, your hair feels softer, shinier, and healthier than ever. That's the magic of DIY hair masks. Homemade hair masks are not only cost-effective but also free from harmful chemicals. Plus, you can customize them to suit your unique hair type and needs. Whether you struggle with dryness, oiliness, or just want to maintain healthy locks, these natural recipes have got you covered. Step 1. Identifying your hair type. Before we dive into the recipes, it's crucial to understand your hair type. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Dry/frizzy hair, lacks moisture, prone to breakage, and often looks dull. 2. Oily/limp hair, excess sebum production makes hair greasy and flat. 3. Normal hair, balanced scalp with a healthy shine and minimal issues. 4. Combination hair, oily scalp with dry ends. By identifying your hair type, you can choose the perfect ingredients to nourish and rejuvenate your locks. Step 2. DIY hair masks for each hair type. 1. For dry/frizzy hair, restore moisture and shine. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. How to use: 1. Mash the avocado and mix it with honey and olive oil. 2. Apply the mixture evenly from roots to tips. 3. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Why it works: avocado is rich in healthy fats, honey adds moisture, and olive oil seals in hydration. This combo repairs damaged hair and brings back its natural shine. 2. For oily/limp hair, balance and add volume. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 egg white. How to use: 1. Mix the clay, vinegar, and egg white to form a paste. 2. Apply to the scalp and hair roots. 3. Leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Why it works: clay absorbs excess oil, apple cider vinegar balances the scalp's pH, and egg white adds volume and strength. 3. For normal hair, maintain health and shine. Ingredients: 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. How to use: 1. Blend the banana, yogurt, and aloe vera into a smooth paste. 2. Apply from roots to ends and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. 3. Rinse with cold water. Why it works: banana nourishes the hair, yogurt strengthens the strands, and aloe vera adds shine and hydration. Step 3. Pro tips for best results. Use these masks once a week for optimal results. Always apply the mask to clean, damp hair for better absorption. Cover your hair with a shower cap for deeper penetration. Rinse with cold water to seal the hair cuticles and enhance shine. Conclusion: your journey to healthy hair starts now. With these simple and effective DIY hair masks, you can say goodbye to expensive salon treatments and hello to naturally beautiful hair. Whether you're battling dryness, greasiness, or just want to maintain your shine, there's a perfect recipe for you. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those kitchen ingredients and give your hair the love and care it deserves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends who are on a mission for healthier hair.